Hi everyone, and welcome to My Paradise Planner Travel. And now, our travel deals of the week. A Royal Suite is on sale now. 7 nights for $5,151. Over a dozen restaurants, bowling, a rooftop pool and bar, and much more. A luxurious suite with awesome views, 2 resorts in one. This is the deal you've been waiting for. Travel fall of 2019. Our national flight of the week goes from JFK to Orlando. At the rate of $137 per person round trip, you can travel September 3rd through September 10th of 2019. Our international flight of the week goes from Miami to Cancun. At the rate of $272 per person round trip, you can travel September 22nd to September 29th of 2019. Contact me to pair that flight with the perfect destination. If you'd like your destination to be flight of the week, comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends you'd like to take with you. Email me at robert@myparadiseplanner.com to book this and receive free travel planning assistance.